Hi guys, I've made a tool that I find pretty handy, and maybe you'd like to make one too, so I'll show you what it is. When you get up into my age bracket, suddenly hand tools like wire crimpers become difficult. Just don't have the strength to do it. And recently I had to do rewiring on this 50-year-old Jeep that I bought. It was a struggle. So I made a tool, and here it is. It's my automatic wire crimper. It originally was a trimmer I bought my wife. It's a Black & Decker, and she was afraid to use it because she thought maybe it was dangerous. So I took a regular wire crimper tool, cut the ends off, and welded them onto this baby here, which anyway, let's see if we can do this. I'm going to try it again, being cameraman and wire crimper guy. Did I nail it? That was on the other end, so anyway, there it is, so whatever. Alright, that's enough for today.